He has gave it to you. He just not has gave it to you yet. See, and we want things when we want them, but we don't want to put in the work to go get them. I read this scripture today for opening, and it said, oh man, for the Son of Man shall come in the glory of his Father with his angels, and then he shall reward every man according to his work. According to his work. See, you actually got that new car and apartment, but you ain't been working for it yet, so he has not gave it to you yet. That relationship ain't got fixed yet because you ain't working on that relationship yet. Because see, God said he's going to fix it and it's already done if you weren't for it and asked him of it. But just because he has not manifested into you yet, does not mean that he has not already done it. It's not over yet. So I know a lot of us got cell phones and we go on cell phone plans. And I know when they start coming out real fast, they have the rollover minutes. Now see, God ain't doing them rolling over your blessings until 2011. Just because he ain't gave it to you